Hey guys, it's me, Miss Mills, and the whole point of this video is to help you out with multiplying exponents with negative bases because it's actually incredibly important that you pay attention to whether or not the negative base, the base of course is this number right here, these are the bases. You have to make sure to check if it is in parentheses or not. And here is why. Let's look at the first one real quick. This is the negative third to the second power, and the negative third is in the parentheses. So when it's in the parentheses, that means that the whole base is getting multiplied by itself. So that means in this particular case, we're doing negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. Because again, anything to the second power is multiplying the base by itself. So in this case, it would be negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. A negative times a negative is a positive. So it would be a positive, and then 3 times 3 is going to be 9. So the answer in this particular case would be positive 9. But that's not going to be the case for the negative base without parentheses next to it, and let me show you why. So in this particular case, it's going to look more like this. When you have a negative in front of a number, that is the same as having a negative 1 multiplied by that number. Okay? So in this particular case, the 3's are multiplied by each other. 3 times 3. Okay? But I'm going to put those in parentheses. The 3's are multiplied by itself. That is true. But the negative in front of it, that is the same as having a negative 1 in front of it. Okay? So not the whole base is getting multiplied by itself. The negative is by itself on this particular case. So in here we have 3 times 3, again, that is 9. And then we can bring this down, and we then have negative 1 multiplied by 9. So then this answer would be a negative 9. So that would be the difference. Whenever you see exponents with negative bases, just make sure you are careful to see whether or not it is in parentheses or not. Let's do another example real quick. This time let's do, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's do, in parentheses, negative 4 to the second power, and then on the other side, we're just going to do negative 4 to the second power. So in both cases, 4 is getting multiplied by itself. But in this particular case, again, since the whole base is in the parentheses, then the whole base is getting multiplied by itself. So here we can put negative 4 multiplied by negative 4, which was going to be a positive 16. Okay? Because again, a negative times a negative is positive. So in this particular case, 16 positive is the answer. But again, if we go to this other side, again, the negative 4 is not in parentheses. So that means only the 4 is getting squared. All right? So then we would drop this down, and it would be the same as negative 1 multiplied by 4 times 4. Okay? So then again, 4 times 4 is 16. That is correct. But we still need to drop down this negative 1 and multiply it. So the answer would actually be negative 16. That didn't look pretty. Okay? I'm going to do one more example just in case. All right? So again, negative 2 squared. And then we have negative 2 squared. Again, the one with the parentheses. Just a little bit. Again, the one with the parentheses. It means the whole base is getting multiplied by itself. So this would be the same as negative 2 multiplied by negative 2. Again, a negative times a negative is always going to be positive, so it's going to be an answer of 4, and that is going to be our final answer, a positive 4. And then again, in this case, since it's not in parentheses, the negative is going to be on the outside. Only the 2 is getting multiplied by itself, okay? So this would be written the same as negative 1 multiplied by 2 times 2, okay? Again, 2 times 2 is going to be 4, but then we have to drop this down, put that negative 1 in front of it. Negative 1 times 4 is going to equal negative 4. Guys, I hope this video helps, especially with the notes that you're taking right now. If you have any questions, remember to contact me. I love y'all. I miss y'all. I can't wait to see y'all again. Have a great day, and remember, it is a beautiful day. See you guys. Bye.